YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a purchase that I got from a fellow creative memory consultant, and her name is Ash, and she has her channel right here is Scrap with Ash, and I'll put her link below so you can like and subscribe to her channel. She was having a 500 giveaway, and what she was doing was selling some of her products on sale, cheaper than what the prices are listed on these boxes. And because I could have got them myself for those prices off my website. But these were some items that discontinued, and of course, so they weren't at the full price, and you can give them. So what happens is a lot of times consultants buy extras and sell them at their crops. And so she had a really great sale on all of these, and so I purchased them, and then she had a 500 something giveaway, which I got an extra gift, and I will show you that as well. So these are some border punches. This is the tree line border punch. I like the punches because they are great for creating borders on your scrapbook layouts, and it makes it easier to make that. And so that's how that one looks. It's a tree line, like a winter. And you can make trees, you know, going across your page. And again, so like I said, you know, her information would be, Ash's information would be below, so you can like and subscribe to her channel as well. She shows a lot of the products and the tools on how to use them as well. And if you've been here before, thank you for stopping by, because I don't think I said that. You're welcome to my channel anytime, so please like and subscribe, and thank you for coming back. And thank you for those who have purchased from me from Creative Memories. And I will be doing more videos this year, showcasing some of the tools and some of the punch outs so you can see what they look like as well. That has been a question. So that was one I got, the tree line. The other one I got was the tulips. And again, I wanted something that was a winter border. And this is more of a spring border with the tulips. I love tulips. In my house I had some black tulips, and it was actually called Temptations, named after the group, the Temptations. And I remember ordering them, and they were black. First year I planted those bulbs when they came in, they weren't jet black. They were more like a purplish blue black, and then like the second time they bloomed again, they came in beautiful ebony black. Really nice. But tulips do take work. They're delicate, beautiful flowers, but yeah, they died after probably the second season. I did not. My kids' green thumb is like their father, so they do a lot better than I do, but I tried. But anyway, and I didn't know when I was looking up tulips, like how many tulips were named after a lot of famous people. Have their own colors and stuff picked. You can order. I don't know what made me bring that up. Anyway, this one is a train tracks. Also kind of looks like a picket fence in a way, but it's a train track. So I got that for boys layout. And again, these are border punches. And then I ordered this ruffle trim border cartridge, and this goes in our border maker system. I love using the border maker system. I love the different punches and how you can make different designs of that. So this is the ruffle trim, and then that does drop off, meaning that it doesn't attach to the page like these do. These attach to the edge of the page. This comes off. And then this is the kissing fish chain. And that's what that looks like. Two fish kissing. And this would be nice on a beach layout, you know, swimming pool, your own aquarium, different things like that. And then last but not least, she was giving away goodies. I don't know how many she gave away, but I know I won one of them because I didn't order this one, but this is one I got. So I was excited to get this. It's a nice punch. And this is a punch that is currently in stock, so this is a new punch. So this, I know the regular full price of this one, and yet she gave me that for free. So thanks, Ashley, for letting me get this free punch. I do have this punch, so I will open it up. This just came out this year in December. This is the Mary Blooms floor. It's a very pretty punch. So, I just wanted to show those, some of my extra punches. And I do have some of these punches punched out. People have asked for these, if they missed some of these punches and stuff that are no longer in stock. They want strips of them so they can use on their page, and I do have those to sell. I will be selling those in my own personal shop. On my, I'm getting it together. I just have an Instagram, which I do have an Instagram shop on Instagram. I haven't posted all my pictures up there, but I might also be putting them on, I'm not sure if I'm going to do Etsy or I'm going to do my own website. But I do sell those. You can always contact me if you're interested in any of these border punches that you wanted cut out. So anyway, and my website will be below if you want to check out anything on my Creative Members channel. So again, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.